Hello everyone. Today we are at
Sari Chelek Lake.
Yes, and that is at Kyrgyzstan, Central of Asia. We have been here for 6 days, about 6 days, and it has been amazing. The view, the landscape of the mountains, the snow mountains, the lakes, the rivers. You know, it has been nothing short of exceptional. It has been spectacular. The weather has been great to us too. You know, it has not been raining. It has been very breezy, the sun is out, and sometimes it can be really cold as well. So the weather has been amazing. What else is amazing?
Food.
Yes, the food. The food is amazing. The beef here is succulent and juicy. The rice is flavorful. We just had an amazing lunch at the lake, right? Yep. Yep, the soup as well. Oh, there are like 20 different kinds of soups here, and all of them are delicious. Alright, so this is our trip so far and we're enjoying it.